It's water, but I have crack.
Water.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
All this catering.
Alright. Try to combine everything and try to kind of.
Master.
Is this for Ted's vlog? He's going up on your YouTube channel?
I might. What?
Oh, is that the Osmo?
No.
Actually, I did. Sit. I ain't tried one yet. See what this is all about.
Stop being selfish. Alright, hold it.
Hey, David 상추 먹어.
Oh, I fuck with code names. New Year's Eve, December 31st. We out here with the fam, with the Asian fam. Not a single bit of diversity going on, but it's all right. It's like I'm all this catering from David. Kevin didn't bring shit. He didn't bring none.
Yes, I did.
Oh, he brought this damn honey.
Bro, there's a lot of meat.
There's so much.
December 31st, New Year's Eve. All this food. We got Hyun grilling up right now.
Yo, someone get the mandu.
Hyun.
Hey, your mandu? Yeah. Everyone's grilling up. There's koguma under the fire. Everything's ready. All right. I got all this food. I fixed me a plate. You know. And we're gonna have a taste. So you know what? Look at the plate. On the plate. I'm gonna just try to combine everything and try to kind of just make a good little some right here.
That's an L plate, bro. That's an L plate.
Eat it while it's
L plate.
Nah, it's because I've been holding it with my hand. I'm gonna just put some pop on top and just sandwich it. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you missed the rice, bro.
I give that bite a 7 out of 10.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling about that bite, bro?
된장찌개.
된장찌개 in the cup? Oh no.
That's DGen, bro.
No.
Wow.
Now zoom in on that 된장찌개. 된장찌개 in the cup.
Wow.
I can
Oh,
only
yeah.
just describe it in one. I'm just kidding. Ramen Master Casino. How's ramen, bro? It's good. Flash. One quick bite. Everything together.
What are you doing, bro? I think you have to open the... Oh, can you slurp more? We need more slurping, bro.
We're going for round 2.
Okay. Readjust this marshmallow and put it on top. Readjust it and put it on top. Alright, I got what you're saying.
What invention are you doing?
We're just gonna put chocolate on top of this bitch. Alright, hold on.
That.
You faster? Yeah.
Ooh, I like that. Look at the top of that marshmallow.
Alright, bro. Off he goes. Alright.
Crispy on the outside and gooey in the inside. Fucking gooey chocolate on the top. Usually we like crackers, but cheers. Look. We got a koguma that Hyun grilled up for us. I'm gonna open it up.
We're freaking chopstick first! Let me try some real quick. Right there, let me get that bite right there. Alright.
Take it. Alright, okay, chopsticks. Oh, look at this part right here.
That's the coolest part. Yeah. It's like cat.
Alright. Cheers.
Oh, good. Is that potato? That's potato?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it turned off, bro.
Oh. 10 out of 10.
Actually? Let me bite.
Yeah, this potato is good. Hey, hold on though. Watch. Watch what we have to do.
Alright. We're on tech.
Grill Master.
Oh, Grill Master.
Grill Master, turn around. Is that a potato? Mmm.
You like sweet potato like
I bet it
that?
should be a little more, right? Yeah, a little bit more.
Like.
But that one was
some
fat.
usually?
Take it out.